Alrighty, so you want to know how to set up Alexa to control your Roku TV or device? Right? We're going to show you how. On your phone, right? The Alexa app, open it up. Simple enough so far. We're going to wait for it to, I got to sign in. So, yay for that, right? I have not signed into my Alexa for quite a while. Evidently, I've never used Alexa on this phone. Okay, from your home screen, you're going to click the More button right down here. More. Right? Then you're going to click on Skills and Games. Let's see, can we get that in there a little better? Skills and Games right here. Just click on that. And then up here in the search bar, you're going to type in Roku. Okay, once you type in Roku, it's going to show you all these little commands things. Okay, just click one. And then right here is what we're looking for. Enable to use. Boink. Oopsie. There we go. Now it's enabling the skill. And wow, okay. Now we got to sign in to our Roku account, okay? So then it'll send you an email, and you'll have to open up your email and verify it's you. So there's the email, here's the verify it's me button, just verify. And it'll load, and then you will accept and continue, and then it gives you the button to continue to Alexa app. So, okay. It's been successfully linked. Can you read that? Nice. Okay, so we're going to exit out of all of that. We'll go back to Alexa. It says it's looking for devices to connect. This may take up to a couple minutes. So it's already connected them, so I'm not sure why it's looking. Let's see if it works though, right? Let's see if it works on my TV. Uh-oh. I don't know what the device is called. I don't remember. That's not helpful. Alright, so this is finally done. It says it's found 6 devices and connected them. It's counting the device that stopped working, and we did a video to destroy it, right? Different channel. Maybe I'll put that up there at the end of the video where we destroy the TV. It's kind of fun. So it lists the Roku items here. We're just going to select the one we want to control, of which, okay. So there's 2 that are on, the rest are off. There's 2 that are on, the rest are off. We've got first living room and second living room. So that's the ones we're using. Make sure it's enabled, which it already was because, you know, it's already selected. I already selected it. Computer. Turn first living room Roku off.
Okay.
It turned it off. Computer. Turn first living room Roku on.
Okay.
Nice. So, let's go ahead and turn you around so you can see. Computer. Turn first living room Roku off.
Okay.
Amazing. Computer. Turn first living room Roku on.
Okay.
Computer. Turn second living room Roku off.
Okay.
Computer. Turn second living room Roku on.
Okay.
Computer. Switch first living room Roku to HDMI 3.
Okay.
Nice! Okay, so what have I learned from this? I've learned I need to change the names of my Roku devices because I am not going to remember first living room Roku, second living room Roku. Yeah,